This video will take you through the 4 possible areas where you may encounter leaks. 1. Nozzle seal. 2. Nozzle O-ring. 3. Auger bell seal. 4. Your rear bowl seal. If your machine is leaking out the nozzle, please remove all the product out of your bowl and turn the main power switch off. Then, once the machine is empty, you will remove the handle pin, the handle, the spring cap, the spring, and the plunger. Once you have removed the plunger from the machine, visually and physically inspect the seals for any rips or tears. If there's any rips or tears, replace the total seal. If you have this type plunger that has the red lower seal and the upper O-ring, you want to visually and physically check each one of these seals for tears or rips. If you have a tear or a rip in either, please contact Frosty Fruit for a new part. Once you have replaced your plunger seal, now you will need to lubricate it with the food grade type lubricant that was provided with your machine. You will put a small amount on your finger and rub it on the seal and then reinsert it back into the nozzle shaft, lining up the handle hole. Now you will put your spring back on top, your spring cap, your handle, and you will push the spring cap down to line up all your holes across all 3 pieces, and then put your handle pin in, and then work it up and down to make sure that it is functional. If your machine is leaking out the condensation drain tube, your machine is most likely leaking from your auger bell seal or your rear seal. In order to get to them, you want to make sure your machine is empty of product and your main power is off. Then you want to remove the bowl by lifting up the front and pulling it straight forward. Once you have removed the bowl, now you want to remove your auger by pulling it straight out. Your bell shaft seal sometimes will come with the auger or stay on the machine, and your rear seal. Once you've got them both removed, you want to inspect them visually and physically for any tears or rips. If this seal here has any tears or rips in it, you need to contact Frosty Fruit and have them ship you a new one. Once you've inspected them, now you need to lube them and put them back together. You'll use a pea-size amount of the lube and smear it on all parts of the rear seal. Then you will reinstall it. Notice there's beveled on this side and it's flat on this side. The beveled side comes to the front, flat side goes to the back. Like so. Same thing with your auger shaft seal. You want to put a pea-size amount on it on the inside and on the outside, and reinstall it back onto your shaft. Once all that's complete, now you can put your auger back on by pushing it. You want to line it up. It'll seat once it finds the flat part of the shaft and it seats in there properly. Now you want to install your bowl. You want to take it, push your bowl on, push it back, and push down. This concludes the video of repairing the 4 possible leak areas of your Frosty Fruit machine.